Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the south of Latvia, standing here in front of one of the most beautiful and historically important landmarks in the country, the Bauska Castle. Let's go and explore together for your listening practice.
The town of Bauska is quiet and peaceful. It is a historic town. Bauska Castle stands near two rivers.
The castle was built at the end of the 15th century by the Livonian Order.
Livonian Order was a strong group of knights. A knight is a soldier in the Middle Ages. In the past, nearby countries were a danger. Because of this, the castle was built to protect the area. It was a strong military fortress. A military fortress is a strong building for defense. Cannons were used to protect the castle. Cannons are big weapons used in war. They help fight attacking armies. The stone walls look old and rough. This shows the castle is very old.
The outer part of the castle was used mainly for defense.
The outer courtyard was used by soldiers. Soldiers trained here. They guarded the gates. They kept their weapons here. Weapons are tools used for fighting. The castle had stables. Stables are buildings for horses. Horses were very important in the past. People used them for travel, work, and war. In the 17th century, the castle became a home. The Dukes of Courland lived here. Inside the castle, there were large halls and small rooms. The rooms had wooden furniture. There were tables, chairs, cupboards, and chests. Chests are big wooden boxes. Beds were wooden and very small. Chimneys kept the rooms warm in winter. Chimneys are places for fire and heat. Candles gave light in the castle. They were in candle holders on tables and walls. Candle holders are objects for holding candles. Visitors of the castle can see old noble clothes. Women wore long dresses with wide skirts. Men and women wore ruff collars. A ruff collar is a stiff collar around the neck. The kitchen was a very important place. People cooked food there every day. There were fireplaces, pots, pans, and knives. Knives are sharp tools for cutting.
But the history was not always kind to the castle.
In the 18th century, there were wars. The palace part of the castle was burned. The main tower is 22 meters high. Guards used it to watch the land and rivers. Guards are people who protect a place or people. Today, Bauska is a modern town. It has schools, shops, cafes, and services. Life here is calm and slow. The town grows and keeps its history. And do you like historical places? Write your answer in the comments.
Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next adventure.